Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been about a week and a half since I last uploaded a video. I just been so uninspired. I didn't know exactly what I wanted to film or anything like that. The main reason is because I just been really uninspired. I had to kind of snap out of it. I really had a creative block, so to say. So yeah, that was the main reason that I haven't uploaded. I just kind of have to go through that myself. So that's where I've been. But I'm back. So yeah, in today's look, I just kind of did a nice simple beat. I feel like this is a really good look for going out for lunch with your girls or anything like that. Just something really easy, simple, super cute. So that's what I was going for. That's exactly what I'm doing today. I'm just going to eat with my daughter and my sisters. So I just wanted to do something really simple, really cute. Plus, I feel like with a ponytail, you don't really have to do too much with the face because you don't have your hair to hide behind. So all you see is your face. So when you do like a full face makeup with a lot of colors and stuff, it just kind of looks crazy in my opinion. So yeah, I just went for something really soft, really pretty, really neutral. So yeah, that is what today's video is about. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, y'all, of course. And yeah, without further ado, let's get right on into the video. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So just jumping right in, we are going to start off with the brows. I'm not going to go in depth on my eyebrows, that's why I'm speeding it through. If you want an in-depth tutorial about my eyebrows, I will tag my eyebrow tutorial right above. So now I'm just going to prime my eyelids with some concealer and then set it with some Laura Mercier setting powder. Alrighty, so now I'm going to touch in my Resi palette and I'm going to take the color New Yorker and put that all over my eyelid. Now tapping into the color Georgina, we are just going to put that on our lid.
Yo, hear me out. Anybody do that dance and nasty up and them nasty up. Fix things, quick things, loopings. Well, alright then. From your see me, cleanest.
Now moving on to skin, we are going to start off with our Smashbox Photo Finish Primer.
With this squeeze, silicone and real bless. Turn a low breeze for the head of my penis. Coolest breeze that me rocking a sleeveless. Ease out, ease out.
For foundation, we are going to use the Too Faced Born This Way matte foundation in Tiramisu, and then we're just going to blend that out with the butt of my beauty blender.
I could be wrong, but
concealer, we are going to use our Too Faced Born This Way concealer in Chestnut.
Yo, hear me now. Anybody do that dance and nasty up and them nasty up. Fix things, quick things, looping. Well, alright then. From you see me a cleanest. Those when me rocking at the fucking realest. Ching. Inna the Louis V vest. Girl want with his squeeze silicon and real bless. Can a blow breeze from the head of my penis. Coolest breeze that me rocking a sleeveless. Ease out.
Now we are just going to set everything using our Laura Mercier translucent setting powder in medium deep.
I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could get down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I'll be down with what you go.
Now going in with our matte bronzer from Sephora in Ebenezer, we are just going to bronze everything.
The time of day and night is gonna be down.
Now I'm taking the Warrior 2 palette from Juvia's Place. We are going to use that orange shade, and we are just going to use that as blush.
Well, alright then. From you see me a cleanest. Those when me rocking at the fucking realest. Ching. Inna the Louis V vest. Girl want with his squeeze silicon.
After using our Morphe Continuous Setting Mist and buffing that in with the Beauty Blender, we are just going to take our Beat by Debs Cosmetics liquid liner, which also doubles as lash glue. So after I make my wing liner, I'm just going to stick my lash right onto it.
I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could get down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like
not least, I'm just gonna add some lip gloss. This is the color Dollars from the AB collection. I will tag her Instagram in the description box for y'all as always. And that is pretty much it for this look, guys. Thank y'all so much for watching. Thank y'all for supporting. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.
Everybody do that dance and nasty up and them nasty up. Fix things, quick things, looping. Well, alright then. From you see me a cleanest. Clothes when me rocking at the fucking realest. Ching ching ching.